Today we're going to draw the Moustache prince. If you are the new viewers, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. So we're starting right now. First of all, we need to draw up the helmet. Because the prince will be wearing the helmet. So I have returning to share it to you all. I always point up there. I always point up the line that actually I want to draw. So I could easily to draw up the shape nicely without using any rulers. But if you are more convenient to rulers, then you can go with it. Yep, something like this. Just go a bit longer. Here we go. You always can do adjustment if you think the line, the width is not enough. So I think this is quite nice. And then we need to draw the rectangle box inside. Okay, we can draw out the line first. So later we can draw the box easily. Yeah, we can do it slowly. Yep. And make sure you keep the balance as much as you can. Yep, something like this. After that, we can draw the big nose. The nose could be bigger. And then the eyes. We can give it some space here because we need to draw the hand over here. So we continue to draw the bed. Also find the center point. Then we keep it something like this. Same to the right side. Yep. Pretty good. So right now we can draw the hand. Remember that we have a hand, and then we can start from the finger first. The hand we can draw slowly. Make sure they are connecting. And then another big finger over here. Yep. And then we can draw up some, because they are wearing the gloves, some line over here, so we can see the difference between the hand and gloves. Okay, right now we continue the big mouse with okay, it's pretty good. So right now we can draw the face, so we can connect it all together. Then the face. Make sure the face looks nicely, and then don't forget at the bottom there has another break here. So we draw over the face. Make sure it looks nicely to the right side. Yo, pretty good. I hope you are following. Don't forget the eyes. We can. Alright. Actually, they are smiling. So we complete the rest. Actually, there is the helmet. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright. There is the body. We try to keep the line in equal, so because we don't draw the body, so we can give in the straight line. So it could be better for us to coloring later. So yeah, this is the Moustache prints. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.